Everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to come on by and check us out. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, welcome. And if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you, and we'd be more than happy to have you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our Target Beauty Box. Now, this month, there happens to be two boxes. This one is the men's box, and this one is our regular beauty box. So we're going to jump right in and check them both out. Now, if you are not familiar with the Target Beauty Box, this one is by, of course, Target, and they offer between 5 and 7 beauty products each month, and the price is just right because it's only $7. And although you do get deluxe samples, some sample size products as well, you get the chance to try them out before you decide to buy them. Now, this month it's called your Autumn It Kit, okay? And it says change is good. And for us, the start of a new season means it's time to revamp our collection with beauty go-tos that leave us feeling great and looking even better. To help you fall into autumn on the right foot, we rounded up the IT products we keep in our kit at all times so you can too. Now, Target asks that you try it out and then go online to Target.com and let them know what you think about it. Now, I will let you know how much the full-size product would be at Target, of course, and enclosed in each description card, of course, you get a description. It also includes a $3 off coupon that is good towards any beauty purchase of $15 or more. That includes cosmetics, skincare, as well as hair care. Okay, so let's see what came in the main box. So we open it up and okay, I'm loving what I see already. We're going to start off with, check it out, y'all. If nothing else, this right here is worth more than the $7 we spent for this box. This is the Ardell Faux Mink Lashes. Ultra soft lashes, lightweight, full of volume, and create an effortlessly glamorous look in an instant. Now, this one is the 811 lash. Those are gorgeous. Now, y'all know I'm not a big lash wearer because I cannot stand for my lashes to touch my glasses. That is the only reason. Maybe one day I'll get contacts or LASIK and try it out. So it says it does contain 2 pair of lashes, and I will let you know what the manufacturer suggested retail value of these at Target will be. Now, on this description card, it does let you know how to apply them. And a little bonus, it says top off with a coat of mascara for extra oomph. Okay, so this is the first item. And our next item is a sample of the Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste. And this says illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzling white and brilliantly clean by removing up to 95% of surface stains in just 3 days. Okay, Well, and this is item number 2, and I will, as I stated, let you know down below what a full-size product would be. The next item we have is the Vaseline Extremely Dry Skin Rescue. All right, and this one says rich formula delivers prescription strength moisturizing to dry patches, leaving skin soft, smooth, and supple. All right, that is item number 3. And the next item that we have is, oh, and we've gotten this sample before, by number 7 Laboratories, and this is the Line Correcting Booster Serum, clinically proven targeted booster serum, especially formulated with powerful anti-wrinkle peptide technology that reduces the appearance of deep, stubborn lines in just 1 week. Okay. And then, that's pretty interesting. Okay. The next item that we have is by L'Oreal Paris. Okay. This is hair makeup. Okay, and this is a sample of hot pink and raspberry. No gloves, no damage, no commitment. Available in 13 shades. So they give you just enough where you can put a little bit on and see how it may look with your complexion. It says quick, easy application. It tells you what you'll need and how to apply. And this says gentle temporary formula gives hair an instant pop of color for a fun and festive look that's sure to turn heads. It says just rinse with shampoo and the color will effortlessly wash right out. Okay. Okay, I have to take back what I said. There are 2 of them in here. See? There are 2. This one is Hot Pink 300. This one is the Hot Pink 300. And this one on the top is the Raspberry number 10. Okay. Then our next product is the Lumini Nordic Hydra 24-hour moisturizer. Okay, and this is lightweight cream with replenishing ingredients and Hydra technology, promotes a healthy looking complexion and provides continuous hydration from the very first application. Okay, well, I think I'm going to open this one. Oh, it feels amazing too. Now that little bit went a long way. I just put a small drop on the back of my hand. It's not greasy feeling. Okay, this I like very much, and it's just the right size for me to stick in my purse, even when I don't want to carry a big one. And the last item that we have is something that I absolutely love. I got this full system in a curl box a couple months back, and I must admit, love at first use. And that is the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo and Moisture Renewal Conditioner. Okay. Now, this says, balanced moisturizing formula provides long-lasting relief from scalp dryness and itchiness, while giving hair a boost of hydration. And the conditioner also says rich formula helps balance essential scalp moisture, giving strands long-lasting protection starting on day 1. It smells amazing. That has not changed, and very distinguishable packaging. Okay, now those are the items that were included in this Target box. Let's check out the other one. And here is the second box. This one is our men's box. Same price of $7 per month. This box is full. This one is called Moving and Grooming. And this one also has its $3 off coupon on the back, and it says, when you're a man on the move, grooming can be a hassle. To make your life simple, we did the dirty work for you. Here are the essentials that make looking good easy and effortless. Your skin, hair, and beard will thank us, and so will you. Now, first of all, love the navy blue paper. And when we open it up, quite a few products enclosed in this one as well. And the first one is the Suave. Look, this is one thing I love about Target products. When they send their box out, they make sure the seals that twist off, or the caps that twist off, are firmly, nicely sealed, so you don't have to worry about your product spilling. Now this one is the Suave Men's 3-in-1 Citrus Rush Shampoo plus Conditioner and Body Wash. And it says its 3-in-1 formula cleanses and conditions your hair and body in just one simple step. So you don't have to reach for a shampoo and a conditioner. However, they did include a Head and Shoulders shampoo. You know, they don't want the men to feel left out, since we got one too. So it says the Old Spice 2-in-1 shampoo. 2-in-1 formula fights dandruff and nourishes the scalp, so your mane is flake free. Okay, and that is item number 2. Then they also included the Crest Gum and Sensitivity All-Day Protection. Specialized formula neutralizes harmful plaque bacteria at the gum line and provides effective sensitivity relief within days. Okay, and then, wow, alrighty then, the Dove Men Plus Care Active Fresh on the Go Deodorant Wipes. Instantly wipes away odor whenever or wherever, so you can feel fresh even on the go. And there are 10 pre-moistened towelettes enclosed. All right. Okay, my husband's gonna appreciate this box. Then, oh nice, they've also included some samples from The Art of Shaving. Unscented pre-shave oil, shaving cream, and aftershave balm. Collection of shaving essentials is formulated with botanical ingredients and essential oils that soften the beard for a close, comfortable shave and leave skin feeling smooth and moisturized. All right. My husband happens to love that store. Then the next one we have is the Bandito Mask Bar, and it says chill a minute or 30 cream mask. Balancing mask helps minimize the appearance of pores, to reveal an even complexion. Okay, I have this man's man in my house who doesn't think that he needs to put a mask on his face. I'm going to get him to wear it, and then I'm going to let y'all know how it turned out. Okay. Now, with these, I will also include the price for the full-size item as well. So this is our men's box for this month. Now, below will be all of the prices, plus if you were to go into Target now and purchase them, exactly how much you would spend. Now, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that this information has been helpful for you. I hope that you decide to try out the box. It's only $7. Now, the only thing is you have to order this box online. You cannot order it, or you cannot pick it up in the store. You have to go on to target.com/beautybox to get these, or even past boxes. If there are any that are left, you will see them on the site. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty, or a seasoned bro. How about that today? Okay, now, until next time.